Hey everyone, I am going to be showing you some DIY lash extensions today. We are going to be using the Kiss Falscara, the new way to lash system. So this is kind of, I think, supposed to be a dupe for lashify. I've already tried these out one time and it says you can reuse them up to 3 times. So I am going to be showing you how to do these and basically what they look like. Okay, so first you kind of open up the box and they're in here in a little sleeve and you have your lashes all laid out, and it comes with a bond, this fancy little tweezer-like contraption to kind of put them on with, and then you also get like a sealant, so bond and sealant on the ends, and then one of these. And then how I remove them is I've been using the Garnier, 2-in-1 eye makeup remover. It's the waterproof purple one. I got this on sale. It's just like the mini version. You just kind of shake it up and it's like an oil remover. This takes the bond off of your eyelashes if you forget to pick up bond remover like I did. Alrighty, so the first step is to open everything up, and you want to put the bond on your lashes first. One trick that I learned last time doing this is you really want to scrape off the extra bond because it is super sticky, and if you're not careful, you'll end up in a pickle. So just put on very little and you just put it on just like mascara. So I'll kind of show you how. It says it has a biotin in it too, and you just kind of unscrew it, and it literally is like the tiniest mascara wands, and just make sure you really make sure you don't have any clumps or anything like that. And then once you put this on, you kind of want to move quick. So I put on one coat of that, and then I'm going to be going right in with my lashes, and you just kind of pick them up with these tweezers like this, and then you put them right where you want them. So I'm going to start on the outer edge. And then as I just kind of place it in there, you can see it looks like it's nice and tight, and then I just kind of clamp. And press it in and wiggle it to where you like it, and it goes under your lashes. So you're just literally putting them under your lashes, whatever is easier for you. I find sometimes this little tool isn't the easiest to stick under your eye, so your finger or whatever you need to do. Okay, so you kind of go in with this little tool and push everything in, like just kind of clamp your lashes like this and pull everything together. And then after you do that and you're happy with how your lashes look, which I really think these look the best ever. They look like fresh lash extensions. So cool. You just kind of go in with this sealant, so the other side of this, and you just brush it on like mascara right over the lashes and just kind of lock everything in. Just kind of brush it on like mascara, and there you go. They are honestly super simple. You just place, like I said, the eyelashes right underneath your natural lashes, and then when you close your eye from the top, your lashes look so natural, and it literally looks like way better than strip lashes. They are easier than strip lashes, and they're way more comfortable than strip lashes too, and it definitely gives you that do-it-yourself lash extension look without spending like $50 every 2 weeks. And they look really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with both sides of my eyes done. So this is the final look. And you can see when you close your eyes, they literally look the most natural and like the best eyelashes ever. They're not put on perfectly. I'm still kind of working with them, but they are fairly easy to just kind of put them right under your lashes. They just kind of like almost, the adhesive's really sticky, so they like suck right on almost, if that kind of makes sense. I would say that the quality of the lashes is not necessarily the best. As I was putting them on, one of them totally came apart, but I have 4 pieces on each eye right now, and I still think I have a pretty good look.